Good evening, friends. Nalinakshi Swami here. I selected Hero Motorcar for my intraday trade, and I want to discuss why did I select and how did I trade. I selected because I saw buying volume in Hero Motorcar. See the candles. This is the volume, buying volume. After that, it became expensive, and the next candle was a no supply bar with less volume. So, and also that is one reason for my selection. And it is after a huge fall. After a huge fall, it was undergoing through consolidation. And also it has shown some sort of reversal signal. And this portion, if you observe from here to here, the volume has started increasing. Whereas here, volume has decreased, and you can see a single candle volume increased and it has been rejected, and it came down and it held this level, held the level of 2,802. 2,802. 802. So, and after holding this level, it made a higher low. And then it attempted to go up and with an increased volume. Significantly increase in volume, you can see. And the thing, when it became expensive and it showed a no demand, no supply bar, then I thought I must go for the buy in this Hero Motorcar, because there may be an advantage of trapped sellers. Then let me show you how did I take my trade. 15 minutes. Let me go to the 15 minutes. And also I want to discuss, this is the pattern connector actually. See, the market after making an high here, after making an high, it has come down, and here in this region, it has gone sideways. This is the accumulation phase in this area. Accumulation phase in this area. So price has accumulated here and it attempted to go up. So yes, and then after going up, it has started, yesterday it was correcting. So I knew this area, this is the potential consolidation area from where imbalance has occurred. Imbalance means the demand has taken place from this area. So I mark the levels of this area, range area, with the price of 2,849 and 2,830 and then 2,806. I knew that it should not violate this level, 2,806 and also 2,830. So I marked these levels and with the price note, and I was ready for the trade. Actually, what happened? It opened higher today. Let me zoom it and show it to you. It opened higher, opened above the previous day close and made a high of 2,878. Made a high of 2,878. Immediately it started getting sold off. And it came to the level of 2833 to 2835. So I was silently watching. I didn't become panic or didn't go for short selling also. And I waited for this level. And when I knew this level 283 is the very crucial level it should hold, when I saw the reversal candle over here, reversal candle here. This is the reversal candle. Then I came to know it is going to reverse because it is the potential support level. This is the point of control from where the trend had emerged. From here, the Hero Motorcar price has rallied up to 2,941. So it corrected, came down to this area, then it stopped over here with a rejection candle, reversal candle over here. Let me show on the little lower time frame, 5 minutes. You can see very beautiful. Beautiful hammer formation, pin bar formation, rejection of price from this level, and next candle is the reversal. And you can see the pattern. I always see for the engulfing pattern. Engulfing pattern. See, this price has been engulfed by this candle. So what is the price which is engulfed? 2851. When I saw this, then I decided it is a reversal. So as an aggressive trader, I entered already because I knew the levels. This level is holding. But as a price action trader, confirmation is necessary. And it is showing an engulfing pattern. All these three candles is showing the engulfing pattern. So keeping the stop loss of this candle low, so keeping the stop loss of this candle low, one can enter at this price. Breakout of 2851. So what should be the target? Target should be, I anticipated, first target should be this level, 2879, where from strong sell-off has occurred during today. So this became my first target and I booked my profits at 2878. And later in the day, during the day, it went sideways. You can see, let me go to the 15 minutes chart. It has gone sideways for very long time. Only in the end, it tried to break out to the level of 2897, 2890, closed at the day's high. It has closed at the day's high. So this is how one need to trade on intraday. So one should know the levels, one should know the pattern, and one should take people will get panic and they will get sell. Some people, they will enter by seeing the opening price of this and immediately they will get trapped. They will not wait for the structures to develop. I'll remove all the drawing tools, remove drawings, and I'll show you. See, in actually when the market opens, it auctions. So market tries to find its high and low within first hour of trade. Here, Hero Motorcar traded within first hour in this range. So I exited in this range. Later, there was no momentum and slowly it crawled towards the high. So it has made an high and it has closed high. And so this will be in my watch list. I'll keep it in watch list and I'll continue trading in Hero Motorcar for on Monday also, because it has shown a reversal over here. Reversal, potential reversal from this area, from this level. From this level. It has held this level. Now I'm anticipating the trade to continue, and it can move above this level and even go to the level of 3000. It can go to the level of 3000 because this is the pattern which has developed. This made an high and made a higher low. When it has made a higher low, actually the price tend to engulf this level. 2945. After engulfing, it may even go to the previous rejection area of 2993. So you can anticipate the levels of 2993 to 3000 on Hero Motorcar on Monday. So how will we have to take? After seeing the auction opening price, you have to wait and see for the levels and take the trade. This is how I take the trade on intraday. This is an example I wanted to share with you. Okay, friends, please note down, and you people also try to trade in a very good manner. Now for the Monday trade, I have selected Voltas for my trade. That is also same pattern. Let me go to Voltas and I'll show it to you on daily. Let me remove drawings. This is consolidating within this range. And it is what it is, how it is consolidating. It is consolidating in the form of cup, like this. So in this area, it is making higher highs. It is in the range. You can see higher highs, and you can see buying pressure in this Voltas. And these are the two volumes where there are no supply bars. So now what is the level it has to hold? This is the crucial level Voltas has to hold. Voltas has to hold this level, 984. Suppose if it comes to 984, same like a Hero Motorcar, and then it starts moving, you can trade in Voltas. You can keep Voltas in your watch list. And let me go to the 15 minutes chart. Let us examine from where it has made an higher high. See, you can see on 14th, it made a low, and 17th, it made a low. And after making a low, it made an higher high. This is an higher high, 1030 and 1032. Now it is coming into this area of consolidation. This is the area. This is the area of consolidation. It has come. So now it has to, suppose if it gaps down to this area, in case if it gaps down to this area and reverses, I'll watch out for this level. Watch out for which level? The level of 985. So it should hold this level, because 985 is the flip level from where this resistance has become support. You can see this was the resistance while going up and it became a support and it has been tested here. So it should hold 985. Suppose on Monday, if it holds 985, then I'll take a buy trade in Voltas. This is the Voltas I've kept in my watch list. Okay, friends, thank you very much for watching my video. Nalinakshi Swami signing off.